The city of Mumbai is abuzz with excitement as international sensation Kim Kardashian, accompanied by her sister Khloe Kardashian, arrives to grace the wedding celebrations of Anant Ambani and Radhika Merchant. To know more, stay tuned and watch this video till the end. The reality TV star and entrepreneur known for her global influence and fashion empire Skims touched down in Mumbai for grand reception, setting social media ablaze with the arrival. Kim Kardashian, upon her arrival at Mumbai's airport, was greeted by a swarm of paparazzi, eager to capture her every move. Undeterred by the frenzy, Kim embraced the moment, even turning the tables by capturing the paparazzi in action through her Instagram stories. She shared a glimpse of the enthusiastic reception, where she and Khloe received a traditional Indian welcome at the Taj Mahal Hotel. Adorned with garlands and marked with a tika on her forehead, Kim expressed her delight at the warm reception in India. The caption of Kim's story, "Hi," followed by the Indian flag symbol, is leaving netizens in awe. Kim Kardashian's present at Anant and Radhika's wedding underscores the global appeal of the event. Times of India also posted a video of Kim's entry in Mumbai, on which many fans had many different opinions. As the comment section read, "I don't understand that as audience, why are we enjoying this? Shouldn't we protest against this? The money could easily be helped in charity or gift to the needy. This is disgusting." Others said, "It's time for the paps to shine again." And Kim be like, "I didn't knew I was so popular." Socialite, she is the fashion maker. And also someone guessed the reason as why Ambanis invite international stars by commenting, "I don't know much about business and their works, but by my observation, inviting Western celebrities, they have to be an agenda. Maybe Ambani wants to launch some commercial business in the US. That's my best guess." Alongside her, other international luminaries like wrestling legend John Cena, boxing icon Mike Tyson, and martial arts star Jean-Claude Van Damme are slated to attend. The Nigerian music sensation Rema, known for his hit Calm Down, is also among the invited guests. Hollywood's power couple Nick Jonas and Priyanka Chopra have also graced Mumbai with their presence ahead of the wedding celebrations. Their arrival has sparked further anticipation among fans and media alike. Anant Ambani and Radhika Merchant's wedding festivities are scheduled to commence on July 12 with the auspicious Shubh Vivah ceremony, where guests are expected to adhere to traditional Indian attire. The following date, July 13, will witness the Shubh Ashirwad rituals with an Indian formal dress code. The grand culmination of July 14 will be marked by the Mangal Utsav, the wedding reception featuring an Indian chic dress code. All events are set to take place in the bustling area of Bandra complex, promising an opulent celebration of love and union. Well, the wait is over for the big fat Ambani wedding. And how excited are you? Do let us know your views in the comment section below, and for more such latest updates, do follow our page.